Hello, first grade authors. It's Miss Davis here with your writing lesson. Today is Monday, March 1st. All right, my friends, remember our goal this week. We started our pre-writing last week. Our goal for this week is working on a personal narrative to write a story about someone who helped you solve a problem. Some helpful tips: think about a problem and how someone helped you. Make sure your story has a beginning, middle, and end, and tell the story from your point of view using the pronoun I. All right, friends, I'm going to model for you first using a star organizer. I will be including a copy of this in our slideshow for you if you would like to print one out. You can also make one of your own on a piece of paper. So I'm going to use a star organizer to help me think back on our mentor story from last week of the kissing hand. And I'm going to focus on what, where, who, how, and why. We call those our question words. They all tell important elements or parts of our story. In the middle, you see there's a star. That's where the title of the book, The Kissing Hand, goes. First up is what. This is where you think about what is the problem in the story. So as we read last week, the problem was Chester is afraid to go to school. Going around in a circle here. Next comes where. Where is the setting of the story? I said at nighttime in a forest. Next, who. Who helps Chester with his problem? That would be his mom, Mrs. Raccoon. And how? How does she help him solve his problem? She gives him the kissing hand. Last is why. Why does she help him? Because she loves her son. That is our star organizer thinking back on important elements of the story, The Kissing Hand. Now, I want you to look back at your My Topics where you brainstormed your problems and solutions, and you are going to choose your topic for writing. So I said for my topics, I was either going to write about when I couldn't find my keys and Mr. Davis helped me look for them, or when I had a flat tire and my dad came to help change it, or when I thought I lost my dog Molly and my mom helped me look for her. Which one of those speaks to me this week that I want to focus on? I'm going to write about when I lost my dog Molly. And I'm going to fill out another star organizer, but this time about my own personal narrative story. So here in the middle, in the star, I'm coming up with a title for my story. I'm going to call it, Where is Molly? I bet that'll draw my reader in. Next, what is the problem in my story? I could not find my dog Molly. Where's the setting of my story? My whole house and backyard. All the places I looked for her. Who is the helper in my story? That is my mom. And how did she help? My mom helped me look for Molly. Last is why did she help? My mom loves Molly and cares about her. She calls her grand dog. All right, friends, so your goal today is to fill out the star organizer with your own personal narrative story. You do not have to do the organizer for The Kissing Hand. Miss Davis did that one for you, but I would like for you to do a star organizer for your personal narrative story, thinking about the title for your story. What is the problem? Where is the setting? Who is the person helping you? How did they help you? And why did they help you? All right, working on your star organizer today for your personal narrative. Miss Davis will see you tomorrow. Bye.